In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Crazy Domains account. Before we begin, a quick heads up, deleting your account is permanent and can affect any domains, hosting, email, or other services attached to it. Make sure you've saved anything important and understand that access to linked products will be removed once the account is gone. Start by opening the Crazy Domains website in your browser. Sign in with your regular login details. You'll need to be logged in to reach the controls we're about to use. Once you're in, go to your account profile. This is where all of your account settings live. On desktop, it's typically accessible from the top right menu under your account name. On mobile, look for the menu icon and then the account or profile section. Inside your profile, look for the account status area. You'll find it near your customer ID, which is usually displayed close to your basic account information. The account status section is what controls whether your account is active or scheduled for closure. Select the option to manage your account status. This opens the management page where you can make changes to your account state. Here, choose the option to delete or close your account. Different pages may use slightly different wording like close, delete, or deactivate. You want the option that permanently removes your account. Next, you'll be prompted to confirm the products linked to your account. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If you see domains, hosting, emails, or other services, remember that deleting the account will disrupt them and may cause downtime or data loss. If there's anything you still need, pause here and make backups or plan a transfer before continuing. When you're ready, enter your account password for verification. This step confirms that it's really you making the request and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. If you use two-factor authentication, you may be asked to complete that as well. You'll also be asked to provide a reason for closing the account. Choose the option that fits best and, if there's a text box, add any brief context you think is helpful. This feedback can improve their service but won't change the outcome. Finally, confirm your request to permanently delete the account. You'll see a final warning about the irreversible nature of this action. Accept the confirmation to complete the process. You may receive an email acknowledging the request and, in some cases, a short processing period before the closure is finalized. That's it. You've learned how to delete your Crazy Domains account safely and confidently.